What's up? Like, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I don't know what we doing in here because I don't smoke, so I don't know what's going on. They came in here. I don't smoke, so
yeah, we smoke positivity. You feel me? You don't do none of that.
leave.
You guys all set? What you want?
All I got was a drink.
You capping.
All I got was a drink from over there. And some
You know what
chips.
he bought? He bought some.
What is up?
I know. Usually, somehow the world will change for me.
What is up, gang, man? You know we back with another video, and I am with.
Hey, man. Hey, man. Yes, sir.
Alright, but you know, I'm
Can
with
I get an
gang.
intro? Hey, man.
I am with
Hey.
gang today, man. We about to get into this lit ass video, man. I had a video for y'all the other day from a vlog from Meet Your Mars event, but I accidentally deleted the video. I did some dumb shit. I'm sorry. It was 2 o'clock in the morning when I edited, and I accidentally deleted it like 30 minutes after I edited. But it's okay. That was the same day we vlogged, and I accidentally deleted it. Sick about it. So shut up. Joe Big, nigga, you like a fucking lizard.
Hey, man. Hey, man.
So
Shut up.
boy. So today, the video we got for y'all, man, we are about to go to Burger King and we gonna get some nuggets, but we just not gonna get a 10-piece. No, we're not gonna get a 20-piece. No, we're not gonna get a 30-piece. No, we're not gonna get whoa! No regular piece. We are about to get 100. I can't say that.
What?
I can't say it.
Fuck off.
I can't
Get
say
out
that.
the car. Get out the car. Unlock the car door.
Yeah, we're about to go to Burger King and buy 100 nuggets, man. And we are gonna try to eat all these nuggets, man. And I don't know what type of video this is, but hey, it's 100 nuggets. Let's see if we can finish all these nuggets. So I want y'all to stay tuned. Once we get to Burger King, I'm gonna hit y'all back up.
Man, I'm gonna tell them I need hella barbecue sauce.
You feel me? You feel me?
Life of a YouTuber. Alright, y'all, we are at Burger King, man. I'm about to order these nuggets. Hopefully they don't get mad. Hopefully they don't get mad, bro. But we about to order 100 nuggets, so y'all just stay tuned.
Yeah.
We here, yeah, man. Wait, what? What did I just? Hey, y'all remember that video? Hey, if y'all want to see us eat some tacos, go watch the last. What?
I had a baby mama.
What?
Are you guys not gonna answer me because you know I'm gonna order a lot of nuggets?
Can I get? So like the 10 piece is $149, right?
Yes.
Can I get 10 of those 10 pieces?
10 pieces?
Huh?
You said you wanted 10 pieces?
Yeah.
Any sauce?
Barbecue and honey mustard. I didn't graduate, so I just want to know, is that 100 nuggets?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, okay, I'm gonna get that.
Anything else for you?
No, thank you.
That's $15.79.
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck.
Like,
What up, y'all, man? Waiting in line for the. Why is your feet? What are you doing? Y'all see the beard coming in, bro.
what beard, bitch? You don't have none.
You look like the bottom of my foot, bitch.
But I have to be.
You said you look like a foot. Dog. Oh.
I'm out. I'll see you later.
Why are you coming back? What the is going on, dude? Bro, what the? Bro, what the?
Look, she got 3 bags, my nigga.
We about to get the nuggets, y'all. I didn't pay for it yet, so if they don't ask for money, I'm not giving it to them.
He rich.
This nigga like a fucking cantaloupe. Fuck is you talking about? Nigga like a fucking $2 lightning McQueen. Whoa.
Thumbs up, buddy.
And the bag is in. The bags, I should say.
Back in the mail.
They smell like car motor oil and McDonald's little brother, bro.
That bitch smell like.
Y'all
saw you all the way down. Jake, I'm still faster than you, so I don't even remember.
Say what up to the vlog, Jake. All right, I just got hold by a kid. Woo!
That's why I didn't drink that. I knew I was gonna be on.
Whoop! All right, guys, we are here with all these nuggets and sauce. I'm gonna be honest, off of the smell, it's not really that intriguing. But we just gonna get this started. These are not all the nuggets. I think we got like how many more? Like 40 more. So that's gonna come later, probably just for our appetite. So these are like, it's like 70. So, but I'm gonna still get the clickbait, like a mukbang, while eating these and see if we can finish all these. I just want y'all to know I don't think we can finish all these, but we're gonna see if we can finish all these. But we're gonna do like a little mukbang.
I haven't ate, so I might bang.
I mean, I haven't ate either. I'm gonna bang these.
All right,
Let's go.
What are we gonna talk? What y'all wanna talk about?
I don't care.
I was gonna say,
Wait.
Hold on, we all. Come on, man.
Thumbnail.
That wasn't thumbnail.
That wasn't no damn thumbnail. Fuck.
It's over. It's too late now. Everybody
Right
right
here.
here.
Fuck it.
Yeah, let me get a thumbnail. Hold on, you're right. Let's pick up a nugget and pretend you biting it. That is so weird. But what are we gonna talk about?
Let's talk about the whole thing we was talking about in the car.
What was we talking about in the car?
All of us.
Oh, all right, y'all. So it's just like we was talking about all of us. Let me know down in the comments because I know they just like kind of past couple months recently been on my channel, but we knew each other for a while now. But we was talking about in the car like, what if we all just get like a place together or something? I don't know. So what y'all think? How y'all think it'd be if we did get a place together?
Bro, we'd be lit.
Bro, that whole.
Like, y'all see how we act when we just like doing videos.
Like,
Imagine if we lived together.
Right.
bro,
And
like,
then-
it's not even an act for YouTube, bro. Like, we really just are this weird. Like, we really just is weird.
We do this off the camera too. Which is mine.
I can't believe y'all eating barbecue sauce right now.
Fuck honey mustard. Hey, put in the comment. Fuck honey mustard.
Nigga, fuck. You look like honey mustard, man. Fuck is you talking
I'm
about?
not like I'm dark. So I
Spread the love.
See, I ain't gonna lie. Your skin match honey mustard, nigga.
And he don't like honey
Look,
mustard.
y'all look. You probably can't see, but
That just
if you know what honey mustard look like,
That's too far.
it's him.
Don't worry about it.
Whoop! I need something to drink. Where that mom do at? I ain't gonna lie, this is the worst video in 2019, nigga. But yeah, y'all, we might we might get like probably a crib together, but you know, I don't know.
I'm going to look at it tomorrow. I'll tell y'all about the situation. Let's see. How's it look?
Oh yeah, we still going. So we going downtown tomorrow?
Yeah, oh yeah, I didn't even tell y'all we gonna go downtown tomorrow. All right, y'all. So we are eating all these nuggets, man. I just decided we might as well just do a
yeah,
Q&A.
your box.
What? What did you just? What?
No.
We're gonna do this Q&A. We're gonna do this Q&A.
Yeah, you hella weird.
We're gonna do this Q&A. I'm just gonna ask everybody the question, and we all just gonna answer it.
I'm dick in your box.
So have y'all ever met anybody famous?
You
Well,
want to ask me that?
y'all all met him together,
Yeah.
so me, no.
What about you, Kylie?
I'm not going down this list.
Yeah, he met a lot of people famous. Kylie Rich. How about
I'm
you,
not.
Nate?
No.
Who?
Well, Meech.
Yeah,
You know, we met him a few times for real. Well, I met him a few times for real.
right.
I met him at a bank, in Walmart.
Met nobody famous.
So, would y'all rather be famous or be rich?
Rich.
Man,
Fame don't
Rich.
pay bills.
they don't.
Rich.
There's a lot of people that's out here just famous.
You want clout? You
Rich,
need money.
for sure.
You need money.
Yeah,
If
I'd
you
rather
pick
be rich.
fame over rich, I mean fame over money, then you're not thinking.
Real niggas care about money.
Um,
That should take family.
If you could change one thing that happened, what would it be? Anything.
That's
That's hard.
This can get deep, bro.
My answers can be deep. I don't want to do it.
The school I went to.
I would went to Catholic. I don't know.
What about you, Khalid?
This hard.
It ain't got to be super deep, but if you could just change one thing, what would it be?
It can be anything.
I got you.
I would change my senior year.
Your senior year?
Yeah, me
Because-
too. I agree with you.
For real, I wanted to do more.
Yep.
But the thing about senior year is you think about what other people think. When you get to your senior year, you shouldn't really care what other people think. Do whatever you want to do. Because you're going to regret it when you graduate. And you're going to be like, oh, damn, I wish I did that.
That's me. Yep, that's me.
No hoe shit. I'm changing the fuck out of who I dated.
Yeah.
But most of them exes gotta go. No cap. They gotta go. It was fuck them bitches there, man.
I don't got too many of those though. I only got like one.
I mean, there was only like a few bad, but like,
I got a good answer.
Oh, yeah, baby.
I can't change nothing because everything is God's plan.
oh. But that wasn't the question.
The fuck was that?
All right, next question. If you could live anywhere in the world, where would you live and why?
Dubai.
Same. I'm sick of it.
That's rich nigga territory. I'm trying to ride in Bentleys.
What about you? Dubai?
Who wouldn't live in Dubai?
Okay.
Who don't want to live in Dubai?
Have you ever cried at a movie? Like while you're at the movies, have you
Yes.
ever cried
Yes.
while watching the movie?
Yes.
What movie?
We really don't do this?
Yeah.
Endgame.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Bro.
Endgame did make me cry.
Bro, my nigga Spider-Man, that's like
When Spider-Man,
I never seen Endgame.
I like
when they all came back, I really, like, my heart dropped.
I tried to hold it in, but I couldn't.
Nigga, I cried at
Alright, I'm getting to
nigga,
that.
Fast and Furious, the one where Paul Walker died.
I remember
Remember I
that.
cried, nigga? When they was driving up, nigga, I started tearing, nigga. Look at you.
Oh.
I can think of a movie.
Or are you too gangster to cry?
I cried and paid in full.
That makes sense.
That's some
When-
gangsta
yeah.
ass.
When the little boy got kidnapped, that shit tore me up.
Oh, shit.
Because they
Alright,
tortured
that's
they
bad.
tortured that little ass kid and killed him. So that shit was kind of fucked up.
What about you, Nate?
No cap. I've never cried to a movie.
Damn.
Gangsta ass nigga.
Not like a movie theater.
Oh.
Like I like on Netflix. Like there's a few TV shows. I mean, I fuck with.
Yeah, I cried at some football stuff on
To
Netflix.
Get Down, and I cried at that, and then and
Nigga,
I cried at
nigga, I cried at QB1. Nigga, I cried.
Nigga.
And what's the other one? Fucking yeah, Last Chance U.
that shit is hard.
Nigga, I be crying.
My niggas.
QB1 hit. Nigga, the second season, my nigga
QB
Justin Fields.
QB1, oh my god, QB1 hit so hard.
Oh, when my nigga that played for that one team. I got a next one for y'all that's juicy. Do y'all still love y'all first love?
I'll answer. I'll answer. Yes,
Ooh.
but
Okay.
I loved her as a friend.
Oh.
I hope that she is doing well. I don't really know where she is. I know she still lives in Detroit. I don't know where she is now.
I'm full as hell. We done banged half these nights.
Yeah, I'm full of shit, but
Bro,
Yeah.
I mean, I'll bang the rest of these.
They
Like,
will bang these hoes. He really don't.
All right, well,
Yeah, but I wish her the best.
yeah, I do.
shit.
you want to put the names up?
No, we ain't gonna do that on this channel. Cause I'm not trying to have nobody in my comments talking crazy.
You right.
What about you?
Hey, 100
Just
likes.
dropped it.
100 likes. Brian to put in his video of him.
I'm reacting to that with the girl I made it about. We already talked about it.
Okay, so
That's coming soon, y'all. All right, what about you, Nate?
Mine's really the same thing as like Kylie. Like I got love for her. Like wish the best, but not on no like I'll take you back type shit. It's more like we had what we had. It's over now.
Exactly.
I never had a first love, so.
I had a first love. Money.
And if you think you was my first love, and you was watching this, you wasn't. How many bodies y'all got?
Hold on. Hey, before we answer that, I'm gonna do 3, 2, 1. We gonna point at the person who you think got the most
Yeah,
bodies.
yeah. Then we answer. All right, I'm gonna count to whoever got the most bodies. Well, we both all gonna point to each other. 3, 2, 1. In this room, who do y'all think is gonna get monetized first on YouTube?
Kali. Simple.
I'm not getting one.
No, I think it's gonna be him.
It's gonna be one of
gaming.
At this point,
Bro,
cause it be fucking up.
you know what he says in your videos? We edit a lot of stuff out. You know what he says in your videos?
Yeah.
I say, wait in my video.
What the fuck?